These strangely colored animals illustrate that nature has a far more colorful and diverse color palette. Some of the most colorful animals in the world are also among the most beautiful. We encounter nature's beauty all around us, no matter where we live. If you are looking to be amazed by colorful animals, then you are in the right place. Here are some of the most colorful animals. And before we get right into it, guys, if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe and hit the notification bell so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be notified. Give my video a thumbs up and let's get right into it. At number 1, we look at black rooster. I know you're used to this normal type of chicken, but there is also the black rooster. This is a rare breed chicken from Indonesia. They have a dominant gene that causes hyperpigmentation, making the chicken mostly black, including the feathers, beak, and internal organs. So imagine going to a hotel and being served a black chicken. I don't know if I can consume that personally. What about you? If you're served with a black rooster, would you consume that? Tell me in the comment section. Let's continue. The rooster is a very popular gamecock for cockfighting in Bali because of their thighs. Their thighs have more muscle compared to the other chickens, which leads them to being much more faster. In Kenya, we also have cockfights in the Luhya land, but we don't use the black roosters, we just use the normal roosters. Here is a fun fact. There is also a product of black eggs from black chicken. At number 2, we look at purple snail. The lavender-colored shell of this snail is often washed up in large numbers on northern west coast beaches. Occasionally, one also finds the remains of the deep purple body of the animal and of the raft of bubbles on which this unusual snail floats at the surface. Just take a look at how the snail looks like. At number 3, we're going to look at white lions. White lions have a rare recessive trait that causes their skin coloration. Unlike albinos, animals that lack pigmentation, white lions' rare gene produces lighter pigmentation. Because of their majestic appearance, they are seen as sacred beings by tribes in the southern Africa, but have also been hunted to extinction in the wild. They are now being reintroduced in protected areas by the Global Wildlife Protection Trust. Now look at these cubs. When you look at them, you might be tempted to keep them as pets, but don't you dare. Don't dare. Okay, at number 4, we look at the Regal Ring-necked snake. It is a small, thin snake with smooth scales. It has a light gray or olive dorsal coloring with a yellowish or light orange underside that is slightly speckled with black markings. The underside of the tail is a bright reddish orange. An orange band circles the neck. Sometimes this neck ring is faint or absent. It mostly eats small snakes, lizards, worms, slugs, and insects that are also taken by this species. Take a look at these snakes. It's beautiful, at the same time it's scary. I don't know if you're scared of it. At number 5, we look at the Indian bullfrog. The Indian bullfrog appearance can change dramatically during most of the season. Both genders are rather a dull khaki olive green, but once the mating season comes around, things change drastically. Males put their good suits to impress all the ladies, so even animals know how to get on the ladies' good side. The Indian bullfrog turn yellow except for the vocal sacs, which turn blue. It is not exactly clear how this works, but it is believed that the brighter the color, the more attractive the male is. Another interesting fact about the Indian bullfrog is that when threatened, it can jump on the surface just as it will jump on land, despite being a relatively large frog. At number 6, we will look at the mandarin fish. They are tropical marine fish found in waters with a temperature range of 24 to 26 degrees Celsius. They are also distinctive due to their unusual shape and intense coloration. They have a broad depressed head and are primarily blue with orange, red, and yellow wavy lines. Mandarin fish are small, reaching to a length of 6 centimeters. Males are bigger than females. They lack scales and instead have a thick mucus coating that has an unpleasant smell. In the wild, the mandarin fish can live between ages of 10 to 15 years, but in captivity, they will live 2 to 4 years. Another interesting fact is that two male mandarin fish cannot stay together in one aquarium. They fight to death. Next, let's look at rainbow cricket. They are a well-known residents of the desert regions of America such as New Mexico and Arizona. It is also known for its variety of colors such as green, blue, red, and yellow. These colors help this creature blend into the demanding habitat of the desert and of course avoid many large predators who live in the same climate as them. But I find them amusingly beautiful. Just take a look at how beautiful they are. At number 8, we look at the pink orchid mantis. We are used to the green ones, the green mantis, but this one is a new one. This is a beautiful pink and white mantis with lobes on its legs that look like flower petals. This species is very popular and loved as a pet because of its beautiful bright colors and amazing camouflage. Some individuals are completely white, others are completely pink, and yet others are a mix. One mantis can change color in a matter of days depending on the environmental conditions such as humidity and light conditions. Its natural habitat consists of white and pink flowers in bushes and small trees. That's how it manages to camouflage. That is all for today, guys. Tell me which animal you found intriguingly beautiful in the comment section. And guys, if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe and hit the notification bell so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be updated. Give my video a thumbs up and bye bye for now.